If you have flabby arms, the reason is because the only exercise you focus on is bicep curls. Your tricep is the majority of your upper arm. Bicep is roughly about 30%. So अगर तुम सिर्फ literally bicep curls कर रहे हो, you're only training the smaller muscle group and totally ignoring the largest muscle group in our upper arm. As you can see, I don't have those flabby arms. It's quite stiff and I have well-toned arms. So I think I can give you 5 exercises that you should focus on twice a week to have very toned arms. The first exercise we'll be focusing on is a rope push down. I'm going to explain you in detail how to do this. Elbows need to be pinned to your sides, elbows not moving. You need to push the rope down and outward. Slowly control it up. Down and out and slowly control up. Down and out and slowly control it up. Now the mistake that I want you to avoid doing is 1, don't stand like this and do this. It's literally momentum and your shoulder. There's no tricep involved. The second mistake is you need to stop right somewhere around 90 degrees here and don't go this high. You need to stop here and push and out again and up here, push down and out again. That's a rope push down.
Take it, baby, we ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you.
If you can feel the burn right at the back of your arm, that means you're doing it right. The second exercise you're going to do is overhead dumbbell extension, also known as French press. In this exercise, we're going to take the dumbbell behind our head. So we are going to focus on this long tricep, which is one of the largest muscles in our upper arm. So we take the dumbbell, extend it over our head, and we take it back. And then push it up. Down slowly, push it up. The mistakes to avoid is stop flaring your elbows outward. Your elbows need to be closer to your head and push it up. Take as low as possible and then push it up. अगर आपसे weight control नहीं हो रहा है और अगर आपके arms बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, that means the weight is too heavy. You need to lower the weight, and you should feel the burn here. The next exercise we're going to do is bench dips. Sit on a bench in a neutral position, and ये exercise के 2-3 different levels होते हैं. मैं beginner से शुरू करने वाली हूँ. Just extend your legs forward and touch your heels down wherever it touches in a comfortable way. That's where your feet should be placed. Hands beside your hips. Fingers pointing forward, and you'll have a bend in your knees here, and that's where you go down. Up, down, up. Your elbows should go maximum up to 90 degrees and then up. उससे ज़्यादा जाओगे तो shoulder पे stress आएगा. This is the easiest level. The next level, move your legs more forward. You will still have some bend in your knees, but you have more extended legs. And same. Your hips should be very close to the bench. The third level is where you'll not have bend in your knees, your core will be tight, your back will be towards the bench. You'll just go down, up, down, up. That's the advanced level. This bodyweight exercise actually builds thickness in your triceps. So don't underestimate it just because you're not using dumbbells. Even if it roughly contributes about 30%, we still gotta give some love to our biceps. So we are moving on to our fourth exercise, preacher curl. The reason this exercise is so effective is because your arm is pinned against the bench. There is no momentum, no cheating. It's purely your muscle doing all the hard work. Stretch all the way down and pull back up. Pause and give the tension to your bicep, and then stretch all the way down. One mistake to avoid is don't twist and turn your wrist here. Your wrist should be in a neutral and straight position, going down, and the same position coming back up. The other thing, I want you to go all the way down. Don't do half reps. If it's feeling painful and you cannot control it, you need to lower the weight.
You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Boss up, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patient.
I'm literally sweating right now just because record करते करते मैंने इतनी बार retakes लिए हैं just to demonstrate the right form and explanation for you guys that my arms are sore. So we are moving on to our last exercise, hammer curls. और मैं light weights use करने वाली हूँ ये exercise demonstrate करने के लिए because this girl is tired. While doing a hammer curl, your palms should face each other. Elbows right beside your sides and controlled pull up and slowly come down. Controlled pull up, slowly come down. The things to avoid, I don't want to see momentum happening, and I don't want your elbows to go behind your body and then come forward, behind your body and then come forward. There is no muscle that's working. While doing hammer curls, you're working a muscle that is underneath your bicep that gives a lot of thickness to your arms. Simple but very effective when done properly. One last thing, these exercises will help you build the muscle, but correct nutrition and fat loss will actually reveal it. I'm sure you have all heard that we cannot out-train a bad diet. Train your triceps properly, be consistent, give it time and you'll definitely see the change. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, लाइक करो, शेयर करो and subscribe to my channel for more fitness content. Bye!